Hello, as we have made up our mind to appear for the certification exam, the next logical step is to find the right training that will help us preparing for it. And the first step, let's go to NVIDIA's portal and see what it has to offer to support in this examination preparation. As you can see, I'm in Generative AI LLM certification page, and if I scroll down for the examination blueprint, on the left hand side, you can see there are a number of trainings listed. For example, getting started with deep learning is a self-paced training for 8 hours and is available for 90 US dollars. Fundamentals of deep learning, that's a workshop based training for 8 hours again, 500 US dollars. I believe the content is same in both the cases, just it's a workshop, that's why it's priced higher. Then you have other trainings like accelerating end-to-end data science workflows, introduction to transformer-based NLPs, building LLM applications with prompt engineering, and rapid application development. So these are the offerings from NVIDIA to help us preparing for the exam, but they come with a price. Let's have a quick look at. There is an important disclaimer over here that these are self-paced courses and are temporarily unavailable for purchase outside the USA. That means if you stay somewhere other than USA, you are not going to have these courses. You can take the free courses, but for these self-paced courses, you have to either wait or contact NVIDIA for a workshop or instructor-led training. That could be little expensive. Let's see what alternatives we have. Then what I did, I went to Coursera and tried to see what kind of trainings available over there. Now, if I search with the keyword NVIDIA, I can see there is one training from Viz Labs, which is exam preparation, NVIDIA certified generative AI LLMs. Then there are other courses related to the topics, but not the direct ones like GPU programming, AI infrastructure and operations fundamentals. So I can look at one training here, which is quite well rated 4.4. So you can explore this one. If not, you can move on to Udemy. Udemy, if you search with NVIDIA keyword, you'll find a course here, Associate Generative AI Exam Prep course. So this is from Manifold AI Learning, and you can just scroll down and see what else is there. So you can find a number of mock exams and practice tests. Okay, so this is about Udemy. The alternative you have is you can search over YouTube and see what kind of free courses you may have or guidance. So if I scroll down, I can see here one course which is for 3 hours free course from Manifold AI Learning. And you can explore this one, which has 8 videos. Then these are the videos. Okay, these are the videos that I have prepared and I'm preparing right now. Hopefully, I'll add some more preparatory videos. This one is from Manifold AI Learning, and then there is one from Intuitive Labs. I believe it's the same tutorial, but you can just check this out. So there are not many more over here, but you can just scroll down and see section wise or chapter wise, you may find some trainings. Alternatively, what you could do is you go to a portal like LinkedIn Learning and search for topic wise learning. For example, here you have deep learning getting started. So, deep learning getting started, you can take this course because the fundamental concepts they remain the same. It doesn't change. And NVIDIA specific products and summaries, you can always get it from NVIDIA. So unless you are in USA where you have access to the NVIDIA self-paced courses, or unless you are taking the workshop-based courses from NVIDIA, all that you have to do is find out the right training either from Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, or from YouTube. It's a little bit of effort, but it's fine. As you are preparing for the exam, little bit of exploration is fine, and you will learn quite a bit of things around there. So this is about the training resources or learning resources for your NVIDIA certification exam. Thank you.